award goes to Ramesh Mudu garu, Nature Lifespace founder and chairman, and the award is Excellence in Real Job Business. Hearty congratulations.
A visionary entrepreneur emerged from humble beginnings in a small village in Khammam. Mr. Ramesh Mudu, the founder of Nature Lifespace, Nature Avenues Sandalwood Farms, and Teach24, whose journey embodies the spirit of perseverance and commitment to ethical real estate practices. Mr. Ramesh believes in a vision. Join with us, grow with us, which is a call for unity and prosperity in the realm of real estate. Nature Lifespace boasts extensive experience in developing exceptional projects with state-of-the-art facilities. And with the able leadership, it has emerged as one of the fastest growing firms in real estate industry. Mr. Ramesh is conferred with the GAMAExcellenceAwards Award 2024. Congratulations for this achievement and best wishes for more such accomplishments in future.